Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to cone. We shall quickly check the formula. Let the radius of the base be r and the height be h. The base circle radius is r and the height is h. Then the slant height L is given by square root of r square plus h square. This forms a right angle triangle here, hence we can use this formula. The volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. This formula is similar to the cylinder volume formula. Here you have to multiply by 1 by 3. Next is the curved surface area, that is the curved surface area around the cone. This is given by pi RL and the total surface area is pi RL plus pi r square. This pi r square is the area of the base. So this is the total surface area. Next we shall see the formula for frustum of a cone. When a cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base of the cone, then the portion between the plane and the base is called the frustum of the cone. So let the radius of the base be r and the radius of the top be small r and the height be h. Then the volume is given by V is equal to 1 by 3. It is similar to pi r square h, but here you have to replace the r square by uppercase r square plus lowercase r square plus product of uppercase and lowercase r. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square plus r into h cubic units. And the slant height is given by square root of r minus r whole square plus h square. The curved surface area is given by pi r plus r into L square units. And the total surface area is the curved surface area plus the area of the top and bottom circular faces. That is pi r plus rl plus pi uppercase r square plus pi lowercase r square. So this is the formula for the frustum of a cone. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.